Good morning, students. Today we'll cover the topic economic impact of the company. Economy पे क्या impact पड़ा when Britishers came to India. When we see the result, when we evaluate 100 years of company rule in India, we realize that India has a attractive position in the world in the previous century. India was only the country, rarely a country, that produced raw material for England, and it was a possible good market for producing the goods in the factory. Bengal was exporting cotton clothes, raw silk, sugar, jute, muslin in year 1708 to 1756. But then dual power policy came. The economic prosperity of Bengal faded. Whatever the glitters जो शाइनिंग था हमारी इकोनॉमी की जो वो फेड हो गई, नष्ट हो गई. द डुअल पॉलिसी, द्विमुखी शासन, was introduced in Bengal under the power of Britishers, that collecting revenue while the responsibilities of people's welfare was with the Nawab. जैसे ही ब्रिटिशर्स ने डुअल पॉलिसी लगाया, हमारी जो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी है वो फेड हो गई. Thus, the Britishers got the power without any responsibility. The Nawab had got the responsibility without any of the power. And this was known as subsidiary alliance, which has damaged Bengal economically. Now they are collecting unfair revenue. They were supposed to take money. They have imposed the policy of taking unfair revenue by the company and made our Indian peasants a debtor. जो हमारे इंडियन फार्मर्स थे, जो एक पीस ऑफ लैंड पे एग्रीकल्चर फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी वगैरह करते थे, उनको अपना कर्जदार बना दिया. द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट हैज़ इम्पोज्ड unfair taxes on the Indian clothes industries. उन्होंने उनके ऊपर ऐसे टैक्सेस डाले कि जो इंडियन क्लोथ है ना वो कॉस्टली होने लगा, एंड उनके ऊपर अनफेयर टैक्सेस लगाने लगे, ऐसे ऐसे रेवेन्यू लेने लगे. सो उनको प्रॉब्लम में डाल दिया. एंड उन्होंने ऐसे प्रैक्टिसेस करना चालू किए, इंडियन फैक्ट्रीज़ को प्रॉब्लम पहुंचाते गए. ऐसा माहौल कर दिया था कि जो इंडियन फैक्ट्रीज़ हैं उनको बंद होना पड़ा या ब्रिटिशर्स को सौंपना पड़ा. देयर वॉज रियली अ बैड कंडीशन एट दैट टाइम. देन एट दैट टाइम द इंडियन आर्टिसन, द इंडियन farmers, Indian workers became poor and unemployed. The company traders forced weaver of Bengal to sign a contract for providing a definite quality of cloth in a short period. उनको ऐसे मजबूर कर दिया गया था कि इतने कम समय में हमें अच्छी क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट दो कम पैसों में. But at that time when they were used to refuse, when they were used to say no, they punished them lavishly, roughly. They are punishing them at that time, or else they were putting them into the jail. Now before arrival of the company, the Indian villagers were self-reliant and prosperous. जब ये ब्रिटिशर्स नहीं थे हमारे कंट्री में, उनके आने से पहले हमारे जो विलेजर्स थे बहुत ही अच्छे, प्रॉस्परस एंड खुद के हिसाब से काम करते थे, खुद के बलबूते पर. बट अंडर द कंपनी रूल they were became poor and very dependent on them. During the rule of East India Company, the first railway line between Mumbai and Thane steamer service between India and England was started, and the development of ports in Mumbai, Madras, Chennai, Kolkata also took place. All these things were responsible, they have the bad impact on our economy when they imposed all these taxes. They were harassing us peasants and all, so there was a very bad period at that time. Thank you, students.